time
Nope.
like that.
And the thing is, we've been walking down. And then we're gonna bloody have to walk back up. That's the fun part. Shut up. I'm talking. Okay, so we're playing how close can we get to birds. That wasn't that one making that noise, that was a cockatoo. Bloody hell. Come here to enjoy nature and there's bloody birds making noises. So even small one, I can't even videotape you. We'll see if you hear that bird. It's called the Paula. Where are you, mate? Bloody noisy bugger. Next time I'm bringing earmuffs. I'll stop here. I'll zoom in. If it gets away. Doesn't care. They're used to it. I have to listen to this water running and birds singing. Now it's going tandem now. Where the fuck are you, mate? And I'm about 6 meters away. These guys live a long time. Oh look, we just did a piece of shit. Must be small with a big mouth.
Sending out the alarm.
Must be a woman, but they never shut up. Don't see that every day. So there you go, guys. I've seen a kookaburra that was shit. Hey buddy, staring me out. I gotta be closer. I'm fully zoomed out now, so that's how I'm about 4 meters away. Shut up. You must be complaining about the weather or something. Probably couldn't find the right size shoes. Huh? Hey, you're smart now. But when I see you, mate. Hear the ice cream truck. BB Ed would like that. I'll see you later, buddy. There's probably nothing I can do about it. I can hear water running, so at least we're gonna get to something. Oh god, more stairs. This just never ends, mate. We must have climbed down at least 400 meters down. Getting closer. Cave. I got pretty close.
Yeah, I know.
About 3 meters away from it. Oh, sick. Got a picture of me videotaping again. So there's some nice trees. Yeah, good old Aussie bush. What else we got? There's snakes, trees. Okay, owls, mountains. It's not you making that noise, is it?
No.
Okay.